What's good, Sneak family? It's your boy Reggiejaysneakz. I want you guys here with the new video. Today's video is going to be a Nike outlet vlog, as you guys see down from the title down below. I've been getting a lot of DMs and a lot of messages on my Snapchat and Instagram asking me, man, bro, when you gonna go back to Nike and do another Nike vlog? I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys what you guys been asking for. But before we get into that, I need you guys to stop what you guys doing, drop a like, as well as subscribing. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the notification bell on so you guys know when I'm dropping a new video and when I'm dropping. But Sneak family, we're gonna go ahead and get it. I'll see you guys once we get to Nike.
All right, so we just got a Nike. I'm about to show you guys some shoes.
All right, so hold on, wait. Before we go to Nike, I want to go ahead and tell you guys right now. So video is mostly music, then you guys already know. If you guys already watch my channel, you guys know what that means. That means that the music was banging in that mug, because you guys already know. If you guys go to Nike, they normally have the music up extra loud or it's extra packed, and I can't really, talk, but I want to give you guys the heads up now. So if I'm talking to you guys, already know everything's good. If not, if it's just straight music and chill, then you guys already know that it's chill as relax. Comment down below what's your favorite sneaker. But Sneak family, I'm gonna go ahead and get to this Nike outlet vlog, so I'll see you guys once we get there.
Some deals. We got the hot tops over here.
And that was the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the whole video. We found a lot of stuff in there. The whole store was 20% off. Raptor 4s, the tattoo 4s, Be True 720s in there. You had the slippers in there for the girls. That's what they had in there for the girls side as well. The undercover collab in there. They had a lot of good stuff at that one, but it was a little light compared to what they normally have when I go to that Nike. But I mean, we still found good stuff in there. You still got 20% off. However, I did end up picking up the DB 15s. I think they was pretty dope. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up keeping them. I did get them for a steal, but I mean, I know the market right now for the size I got is like $200, but we'll see how I'm feeling, you know what I'm saying? Maybe probably just take them to a consignment shop or something and see what's cracking with the price. But let me know what you guys saw the whole video down in the comments down below. I don't want to hold you guys up much longer, but make sure you guys follow me on my social media, like I told you guys at the beginning of the video. I'm always interacting with you guys. I'm always commenting back to all the comments on the videos, all my DMs and everything. So make sure you guys follow me on my social media, which is Reggiejaysneakz. All the links will be down in the description down below. Sneak family, with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here.